I'm Ed.
I'm Caitlin.
This is our dog, Lala. Together, we are flying all across Wisconsin to collect our Fly Wisconsin passport stamps and earn the coveted bomber jacket. So strap in and come along on our adventure as we explore Wisconsin from the air. We are the Flying Stampede. Over the 4th of July weekend, we decided to head out for an overnight trip to Eagle River, Wisconsin. My family was gathering at my aunt and uncle's place for some fun and relaxation. The weather was a bit iffy both at Racine and in Eagle River. The winds were gusting up to 20 knots at Racine, but the forecast in Eagle River said that we'd be able to get in right before conditions worsened there. So despite being a bit outside my comfort zone, we headed into the air for Eagle River, Wisconsin. As soon as we got into the air, we knew that it was going to be a rough ride. There was some pretty moderate turbulence that was throwing our little pacer around. No matter what altitude we were at, we just seemed to get bounced around. At about 4,000 feet, it seemed like the turbulence was a bit better, but it still made for an annoying trip. I could sense Caitlin doing her best to remain calm and comfortable in the air. It was even past being fun for me. I couldn't wait to get on the ground at our destination. On our way, we passed over this world-famous airport. Are you really even a pilot if you don't know what airport this is? In a few weeks, it will be full to the brim with planes and aviation enthusiasts. If you see us around, say hello. I had never been to the North Woods of Wisconsin before. It was amazing how the terrain changed from farmlands to nothing but trees. The biggest worry I had was where would I put the plane down if there were any issues. As you can see, there weren't many options available should something happen. However, I tried to stay within gliding distance of another airport or small field just in case we had to make an emergency landing. As we got near Eagle River Airport, I checked the weather. Did we make it before the wind conditions started to get gusty? As luck would have it, no. However, they weren't as bad as they were at Racine, so it was going to be my first time landing the pacer in conditions that were slightly outside my comfort zone. Aileron into the wind and straighten the nose with the rudder. Bounce, stay calm, keep it in a 3-point attitude and straight. We are finally on the ground, and though it wasn't very graceful, I had landed the pacer in gusty conditions for the first time. It was a super bumpy and turbulent ride. Total time is about 2.5 hours. The winds here are super variable. I bounced on my landing, but I was able to save it. Yeah, we made it safe, and we're gonna go get our stamp and go explore a little bit. So come on and hang out with us.